West, we have seen staggering increase in wealth and economic opportunities. And yet, there have not been no significant increase in our despite being so much richer than few generations ago. We are often more anxious about our own importance and our achievements than our grandparents were. Like all this modern state of restlessness and dissatisfaction, status anxiety. We want to explain how people try to show their status and power by choosing muscle cars.
With cars, you have status on the road. Everyone knows which one are the most expensive. The brand marking is clear. In our recent Ford Mustang GT500, I was constantly reminded of what vehicle I was driving, because of the emblem on the hood was staring right at me, as well as several Cobra logos throughout the interior. With clothing, you can buy cheap knockoffs and still look presentable. There is no hiding a brand while driving a car. Removing the trunk-mounted badge doesn't fool anyone.
A friend of mine recently learned a thing about rolling status symbols when he purchased a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. He was previously driving a Corolla and spent a lot of time on the road. He was looking for something powerful and more comfortable. He bought the 2007 ES used and got a great deal, spending about as much as he would for a new, well-equipped Dodge Challenger Hellcat. He drove the car to work and immediately got many comments from co-workers like, "Nice car, you must be doing well." His colleagues inquired about his increase in status and remarked on his assumed financial situation. He told me he felt uncomfortable by everyone's comments and didn't expect those reactions.
Okay, let's talk about these two powerful muscle cars. First one, 2015 Dodge Challenger and 2015 Dodge Charger.
2015 Dodge Charger Hellcat, the quickest, fastest and the most powerful sedan ever. It delivers a 707 horsepower engine and it has a quarter mile time of 11.0 seconds. It has a 650 torque and 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine.
At the same time, 2015 Dodge Challenger with the most powerful V8 engine ever, supercharged to 6.2 liter engine, and it has 707 horsepower with 650 torque, and it can accelerate 0 to 60 miles within 3 seconds.
5, 4, 3.
Okay, let's consider these two powerful muscle cars. First one is Chevrolet Camaro Z1 2015 model. For the engine, 580 horsepower, 6.2 liters V8 and 556 torque. For the transmission, 6-speed manual MG90 Hydromatic 6L90 transmission.
Okay, let's talk about the Ford Mustang GT500. This one has a 3.7 V6 twin turbo engine. It delivers 300 horsepower and 280 power of torque. This one has rear wheel drive. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and a wheelbase that is of 107.1 inches. It has a power 4-wheel disc with anti-lock system and traction control. For shock absorbers, this one has hydraulic gas pressure, outboard mounted shock.
Muscle cars are showy as they have their unique loud engine sound. And when you start the car, people around will definitely notice your presence. This will obviously make others to feel the need of the same type of car.
Here we go. Woo!
The performance of muscle cars are used to show the power and high status compared to an ordinary citizen. Some people using muscle cars tend to outrun the law to show their power. For example, a person with a muscle car will not pull over even for police patrols.
Most women are gold diggers. They are attracted by money and fame. Just looking at the car, women will judge the power of the owner. So for men, cars are not a mode of transport anymore. It's a part of their character. And girls can be picked up easily if you have a muscle car.
Like, is it okay if I just take her out around the block, like in this car? Like, I just got this one. This
Yeah,
is
that
this
sounds
is,
like fun.
This is the car from Transformers. It's
It's
that's
just a
cool,
car
but I don't
ride.
care.
It's
not cool.
legit just a car ride. Calm down.
No.
it's literally around block. You can see the whole block from here.
How about you just go ahead and go on somewhere?
Just real quick. No, I can give you my wallet. Like I'm not gonna kidnap her or anything.
No,
like this
stop,
is the no.
She's not going with you, okay?
I'm just
Being ridiculous.
No.
okay. This thing.
Keep going. It's gonna be fun.
Oh, whoa.